Hello and welcome to RDM English. In today's video, we're going to practice English sentences at a restaurant. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's begin. Entering the restaurant. Good evening. Can I have a table for two, please? Good evening. Can I have a table for two, please? Do you have a menu, please? Do you have a menu, please? Thank you. Can we sit near the window? Thank you. Can we sit near the window? The place looks nice. The place looks nice. Ordering food. What do you recommend today? What do you recommend today? Can I have the soup and grilled chicken? Can I have the soup and grilled chicken? I'll have orange juice, please. I'll have orange juice, please. That's all for now, thank you. That's all for now, thank you. Could you please make it less spicy? Could you please make it less spicy? During the meal. Excuse me, can I have some water? Excuse me, can I have some water? Everything tastes really good. Everything tastes really good. Could you please bring the dessert menu? Could you please bring the dessert menu? I'd like some ice cream, please. I'd like some ice cream, please. Asking for the bill. Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please? Do you accept cards? Do you accept cards? Thank you very much. The food was excellent. Thank you very much. The food was excellent. Let's repeat some key phrases again. Good evening. Can I have a table for two, please? What do you recommend today? Could you make it less spicy? Everything tastes really good. Can I have the bill, please? Great job. Keep practicing every day to improve your pronunciation and confidence. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to RDM English for more shadowing practice videos.